So Blackview has officially announced its most powerful rugged phone of 2025, and it's the Blackview Xplore 2. Now the Xplore 2 has different models, limited edition models, including the Blackview Xplore 2 projector. Now this is a Blackview Xplore 2 version with a built-in projector. The device is not available yet, so don't bother to look for it. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of the Xplore 2 with the Tank 4 Pro. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Xplore 2 versus the Tank 4 Pro. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Personally, both devices are great in my opinion. They both have the same processor, which means performance on both devices would be very similar. And both devices support Wi-Fi 6E. They both have a built-in super bright camping light, and the projector version of the Blackview Xplore 2 has a built-in projector. It's kind of like the same as the Blackview Xplore 2 but with a built-in projector. So this model may not have a built-in projector, but the Xplore 2 projector version has a built-in projector which can go toe-to-toe with the projector of the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. Personally, both devices are, kind of like the same in my opinion, and they both have very similar price tag as well. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.